We all know that Gmail is the best email app out there, but do you know they have advanced features which can improve your productivity drastically? Let me show you. All you have to do is click on the settings icon right here. Click on see all settings. We're going to scroll to the advanced tab and you see 4 of these additional features. So we're going to start off from top to bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look at the auto advance, which if I enable it, it will show the next conversation instead of your inbox or after you delete, archive and mute a conversation. You can select whether to advance to the next or previous conversation in the general settings page. So let's go ahead and click on enable that. We're going to do this one by one. And don't forget to click on save changes. Alright, it's going to do a quick refresh. Alright, now I'm going to go to the general tab because we need to set the auto advanced options. Here you see that you have the options of going to the next new conversation, which is what I want. Or you can go to the previous older conversation or go back to the thread list. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and don't forget to click on the save. Alright, so now I am going to go to my inbox and click on one of these unread messages. So here I can delete it, and once I delete it, instead of going back to the inbox, it's going to go to the next message. So let me demonstrate that. You see how it goes to the next message? So that's how it works. Alright, now we're going to go to the second advanced settings. It's known as the templates. You can turn frequent messages into templates to save time. Templates can be created and inserted through the More Options menu in the Compose tool folder. You can also create automatic replies using templates and filters together. Once again, I'm going to click on the Enable button, Save Changes. You're already starting to see how much of the time savings and productivity can be increased by using this ease of advanced features. Alright, so now let's say if I want to do like an automatic reply, let me go ahead and click on this. Let's say assuming this is, I frequently get like spam emails, alright. So now I can go ahead and click on the reply button, and then on these 3 dots, more options, I'm going to click here, and then click on templates. It says no save templates, right? Alright, but I can start typing one. So let's say I want to say something generic for all these companies that I'm not interested in working. Thank you for your email offer. I am not interested in the partnership. How about that? Alright. Now I'm going to click on this template again. I am going to say save drafts as template, and then I'm going to name it save as new template. I'm going to create a name. I will just say thank you companies. Not interested, so I can distinguish them. Save. Alright, so now I can just, let's say I have nothing right here, right? Or for example, how about this? If I click on here, I want to click a reply, then I can bring out my templates. I'm going to choose thank you companies, see right there, and I can click on send. And don't forget you have the option of deleting templates or also saving over one or creating a new template. Alright, now we get to the third option of advanced features. Oh, this would be fun. Custom keyboard shortcuts. Enable the ability to customize your keyboard shortcuts via a new setting tab from which you can remap keys to various actions. Let's go ahead and enable that. Click Save Changes again. It's going to do a quick refresh. Once again, we have to go back to the General tab and turn it on. It should be near the bottom. It says keyboard shortcuts on. Once again, don't forget to click on the save. Alright. Now, I also want to show that it does show you the keyboard shortcuts right here. See? Obviously, I'm not going to be able to test out all of these. I'll just do something simple like previous and next. You have all of these options, so many options. But don't worry, I'm going to include this link too, so it's easier for you to analyze what's useful. See? It's all categorized. All right. So let's say, for example, I go to my email inbox. See? You see how that scrolls down? It's the next conversation, previous conversation, P. Let me test out one more feature. Let me go ahead and make sure you're on the right inbox. Okay. All right, I want to reply, so I'm gonna click R. See? I can automatically reply. So as you can see, the shortcuts is very fun feature. A lot of time savings too. Which brings us to the last advanced feature. It is the unread messages icon. So that's very simple to see how many unread messages are in the inbox with a quick glance at the Gmail icon on the tab folder. Let's go ahead and enable that. Save. It's going to do a quick refresh. There you see it. You see that number 2? That's it right there. How awesome is that? So as you can see, these 4 advanced features are super fun to use. It increases productivity, whether it be for your home, business, or school use. Take care of yourselves.